With my speedometer stopped working, I took the gear off the wheel, cleaned everything out, and re-greased it. I'm hoping that'll get my speedometer working again. There was a few teeth that were busted up. It's really hard to get these gloves on with one hand. Oh, not working. This should not rotate like this. Get the axle off. Main bolt. Oh my God, it's so loose. I'm going to wiggle the bugger out. There we go. It probably needs to be cleaned and greased. That can't be good. Take that off. There we go. Come on, wiggle out. This doesn't look like it's all that bad. It's turning, that means it's good. Oh, it just doesn't turn well. There is something in there. Take this whole gear out. I think it might be dirty, and that's the whole reason why it's not spinning. So all I need to do is just clean it up and re-grease it, and I should be good. Does this come out? It looks like it's pressed in. Can't see the teeth, but the teeth look okay. There are some metal shavings down in here. Where's my bag of cleaners? Brake clean, parts clean, tri-lube, and lubricant. And some old WD-40. I repacked this with marine grease and put it all back in together. 15, 40, 3. Yeah, that's snug. This might be the problem. It looks like the whole cable is, there's something wrong with it. It was pinched. Let's go get a new speedometer cable. I got a replacement speedometer cable here. Let's see if this will do the trick. Unscrew that. The old one. Slip the little lip into the hole. Tighten down the screw. Nice and tight. Feed this through here. And feed this through here. Boom. Gonna get in here and loosen this up. Oh, not so tricky. Okay. Oh yeah, that's broken. The new one goes in. Yeah, this is where I had a problem last time. Getting it on. It has to go at kind of a low angle. Push up and twist. There we go. Let's get the old one snake out. Now the problem, I think, is this. It needs to come down. Yeah. The reason why this is having a problem is because this has to come down here. Is that a better guide? Tucks it right underneath there. This is supposed to go here. See, pull this straight. That's it. There we go. Now that I got the speedometer cable on, I got the cables routed so they won't kink, and I got the speedometer gear cleaned out and re-greased. Let's take her for a ride and see if this speedometer's working.